Hey there, Explody FPS. If you're facing an internal system error occurred during DirectX setup on Windows 10 or 11, don't worry, I've got the solution. Let's fix this issue step by step and get you back to gaming or working smoothly. 1. Check for Windows N version. Windows N versions lack certain media-related features required by DirectX. To check your Windows version, press Windows plus R, type WinVer, and hit Enter. If it says Windows 10N or Windows 11N, install the Media Feature Pack from Microsoft's official site. To download this, I will provide the link in the description. Windows 10N editions include the same functionality as Windows 10, except that these versions of Windows do not include Windows Media Player and related technologies. End-user customers can enable the media functionality to work properly by installing the Media Feature Pack. This feature pack can be applied to computers running Windows 10N editions. Select your version of Windows from the drop-down list below. If your version does not appear in the list, please go to KB3145500 to find the appropriate media feature pack for your version of Windows. For me, this is just a demonstration. I'm not using the Windows 10N version, but I'll show you how to download and install the media feature pack for your specific operating system. Once installed, try running the DirectX setup again. I'll provide the download link in the description. Now let's move on to the next steps. 2. Run DirectX setup as administrator. Right-click the DirectX setup file, select Run as administrator, and follow the on-screen instructions. Hopefully this resolves the issue. 3. Use registry files. Community suggested. Before making changes to the registry, always create a backup. To do this, follow these steps. Open Registry Editor by clicking the Windows Start button, typing Registry Editor, and pressing Enter. In Registry Editor, click on Computer at the top of the tree. Click File in the top left corner and then select Export. Choose a location to save the backup, such as your desktop. Give the backup a name and click Save. This will create a copy of your registry, which you can restore if something goes wrong. Now, let's move on to merging registry files. I'll provide a DirectX registry backup for you. Ideally, you want to match the registry files to your exact Windows version, but I've noticed that the registry keys for different versions are almost identical. So, you can try merging the provided registry files. If it doesn't work, just restore your backup by double-clicking the file you saved earlier, and the registry will return to its original state. For other editions, you'll need matching registry files for your version. Check the description for the download link. Ensure you're using an admin account. If you're on a standard user account, you may need admin privileges to install DirectX. Here's how to switch your current profile to an admin account. Press Windows plus R, type netpiadwiz, and hit Enter. Select your standard user profile and click Properties. Navigate to the Group Membership tab. Choose the Administrator option. Press Apply and then OK to save changes. That's it. With these steps, you should be able to solve your issues related to DirectX. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section and I'll respond as soon as I can. See you next time.